Uh-oh, catfish. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Catfish. What the heck? You piece of crud. And he's caught on keel or something. There he comes. This must be big fish. Yeah, buddy. What do you got here? I thought it was on your keel, but I just couldn't lift it up, man. It's a big one, whatever. I think it's catfish. Nah, it was all the way down under the bottom of your keel. What we got? Oh, yeah, yeah. Probably about 6 or 7 pounds. It's not as big as I thought he was. Oh, he's heavy though. Damn. So he woke you up thumping the bottom of your boat. Sorry about that. Woke up our neighbors. I thought it was stuck under his boat, but it was just trying to find a place to hide. Look at that bad boy. He's hooked good with that little circle hook. This is a tiny little circle hook. Oh, he was not. Whoa, got him. What we got there? He's a battler. Is that a kitty cat? No, I don't think so. Fat shell cracker. He's got some weight to him. Look at him bend that rod. Goo. Yeah, Mr. Shell Cracker.